how to fix YouTube this version is out of date. So if you want to fix YouTube this version is out of date, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. Under settings, scroll down, go with apps, go with manage apps, and search for YouTube. After that, tap on your YouTube. And now here on the bottom, you will have uninstall updates. You need to tap on it and uninstall your YouTube update. And after that, you can open up your YouTube and your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the next solution is you need to open up your settings. Under settings, you need to go with about phone. And here you will have your Android version. So in my case, it's Android version 13, but you will have your Android version. Once you have your Android version, you need to just go with your browser or your Google, anything that you're comfortable with. And here you need to search YouTube for Android 13 and scroll down, and then you will find a lot of websites. You can go with any one of those. And here you need to go and select the version and download it. You can go with the older versions if you have older Android version, or you can go with new versions. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.